Hello guys, welcome to the Money Reload channel, the tutorial channel that gives you an idea of making money online with a simple strategy. Before we go to the tutorial, don't forget to smash subscribe button and notification bell to get notified my new update video on how make money online. Everyone wants to make money online, but they don't know how to start it. It's indeed very easy. Now, I'll not only show you how to do it, but also show you how to grow it and start making even more money. You don't need a website, you don't need a credit card, and you can do it from anywhere in the globe. And this is going to be one of the most interesting tutorial video you've ever seen on how to make money on the internet. So, let's get started. In this video, I will show you how to make money online for every 1 minute. This is free and available worldwide, a perfect side hustle for beginners. You can start making money right now with this free website that I'm about to explain to you. And you can put it up on autopilot to create even more money. You'll also discover how to increase your productivity and potentially earn more revenue, so make sure to never miss the important parts of this video. So that I may continue to share new ways to make money online, you must first create and maintain your own PayPal account before proceeding to the website. So, go to paypal.com and click the sign up button to create a 100% free account. Simply complete the essential fields and connect to your personal PayPal account. If you don't want to do that, you can start an online bank account by searching for an online bank account in my country on Google and signing up for a free account with that online banking company. Now, before we go to this website and try to figure things out on our own, I strongly recommend that you watch this video until end, because I go over a lot of territories here, including how to sign up for free as well as bonus advice. Now, we go to the website that you can make money with just a simple task. The website that we will be using to make money online today is Pedera.com. Pedera is an online money-making website that offers you to make money online through a variety of activities. Make money with Pedera using surveys, paid quizzes, and different types of microtasks. It's possible to do it on your phone and of course, on your computer. This is one of the reasons I appreciate this website. If you satisfy the minimum payout of $5, you can start cashing out your money right away. If you stick with me to the end of this video, I'll disclose a secret trick that you can start using right away to generate more money over and over again by simply pressing a few buttons. As you can see, Pedera.com offers a range of options to make money on one website. You may sign up for various activities to do surveys, submit films, invite, and encourage friends to earn money writing articles, and much more. So, as I'm doing this video, they have this many members, millions of tasks completed, and millions of dollars in payouts going out to people all over the world. They also have a good review from Trustpilot. As you can see, there is a result of the 4,425 people testimonial, and get 4,7 star, that excellent. So, you can do research on yourself to prove this website is legit. And you can trust with this website you can make money with value. Keep an eye on the space, because I'll show you how to generate money the same way I did. Check out this person from this country who supplements their income with Pedera.com. Another person generating this much money through Pedera.com. Is so exciting to share their story that they provided payment proof. If you'd like to register your free account, simply click the blue button at the top of the page to be led to this page, where you can do so and start earning money. You may join right now. You will be led to this page where you can do so and start earning money. You may join right now and make 15% more money utilizing this approach than other people. Simply fill in your name, username, email address, and password, then click sign up and create my account. After you've signed up for a free account, you may begin earning money by doing surveys, downloading apps, performing tasks, inviting friends, uploading videos, and doing a variety of other activities. Before we go to next step, if you like this content, don't forget smash on the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get notified a new update video about making money online strategies. I'd like to show you a couple of examples. So, once you've logged into your account, you may take service like this to earn 40 cents, 50 cents, or 35 cents. And there are a range of services to choose from as well as an endless number of surveys. New surveys are posted every day, so simply hit the refresh button to see what's new. Now, I get what you're thinking. The service here costs between 40 and 50 cents, which isn't much, but this is where the magic happens. As a next step, I'll show you how to press buttons and start making money right away. Allow me to demonstrate how to use the survey. Simply click this one, then this green button, and you'll be taken to the appropriate page. You can start doing surveys right now, simply clicking buttons, and you are under no need to take any of them seriously. Now all you have to do is click the blue button to be directed to this website. Is this one right here? You only need to select one of these alternatives. Simply click on whatever you want, because it makes no difference, because they don't care, and then move on to the next button down below. The blue button right here is kind of hidden at the bottom of the website. So, make sure you click on this blue button, and the website will load up and show you this. Simply scroll down to continue on this page. You don't even have to answer any questions. Simply scroll down to the bottom and click continue. This website appeals to me, since you can earn just completed 2 questions. Therefore, you've received $1 to move on to the next question. Simply select one of the answers as often as you like during the day to continue answering more questions. Simply scroll down and pick the next button. So, I'll just scroll down to the bottom of this page and repeat the process, this time clicking on continuing. As you can see, an additional 50 cents was immediately added. Simply click the button to go down to the next option when I'm finished with this one. You can repeat the process by simply clicking on the buttons without having to answer any questions. Now, if you want to make even more money, you can repeat this process for different surveys. This website has hundreds of them, and the best part is that after you complete the first 10 surveys, you can unlock surveys that pay twice as much. But that's a special bonus tip that no one else has mentioned. For example, instead of 50 cents every survey, you could get $1. And if you take another 10 surveys, you could get $2, thus doubling your money for every 10 services you completed. You can keep twice your money. So, make sure you keep doing the same thing. You may be asking why this website offers you money for doing nothing. More than clicking buttons, is this a genuine article? Is it in good working order? Is it real, or is it a con they pay you to press the continue button? So, they may show you adverts on their website. You'll see that they have one ad right here at number 1, another ad here at number 2, and still another ad here at number 3 for a total of 3 ads on this page. They will profit if you click on them by accident, such as if I click on this, and they want you to keep browsing their pages and pressing the continue button, because they believe you will click on one of these advertisements by accident. And boom, they have a good chance of succeeding. So basically that's the truth behind it. And I've never seen anyone else explain it to you. But if you want to save time, scroll down to the very bottom of this website and click on continue. And then you can repeat the process as many times as you want. And sometimes they ask you random questions. Just click on any of the answers or whatever, and then scroll down below and click on next. This is also how their website earns money. They want people to like you and me to sign up. And when we click the buttons, do surveys, and earn money on this website, they get money through paid advertisements on their website. In other words, it's a win-win situation. As a result, it's a good idea to ignore these adverts. You don't have to click on them, because they're just trying to make you confused. So scroll all the way to the bottom of the page and click the continue button on our website. You may do a number of jobs and earn money by simply clicking on links. But I have a few questions that I want to address right now, because I know many of you are visiting from all over the world. As a result, this opportunity is open to all countries. You may work on this platform, and this website gives you access to everything. There are no national limits. Anyone can do it, and the more time you put in, the more service you'll be able to provide, and the more money you'll be able to earn, and you'll be able to work for yourself. One last point is quite important after you've finished all of the surveys. Hit the refresh button to see if any new ones emerge. You can check them frequently or receive a message from them inside your account, and they'll show you their new services to keep making money. Simply, repeat the approach I've told you, but this time click the continue button. It is quite simple for you to get started. And that wraps it up. That is exactly how to make money every day you working it through internet. That's it. I hope this video can help you to make real money online. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this content, don't forget to smash subscribe button and notification bell to get more tips and tricks on how to make real money online. If you have a question, feel free to comment on down below. See you on the next video.